Hi, my name is Liz, and I'm at the Squim branch of the North Olympic Library. This is my daughter Adele, and today we're going to do a finger play with you. All right, you ready? Here we go. A nest is a home for a bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. A hive is a home for a bee. Bzzz, bzzz. A hole is a home for a bunny. Hop, 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 hop. And a house is a home for me. House. Should we do it again? All right. A nest is a home for a bird. Tweet, 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 tweet. A hive is a home for a bee. Bzzz, bzzz. A hole is a home for a bunny. Hop, 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 hop. And a house is a home for me. House, house. Yeah, you want the nest again for the bird? Tweet, 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 tweet. Good job. All right, and that's all we have for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.